Good morning, Jagendra Rana here. Let us discuss the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So this is an accident insurance scheme offering accidental death and disability cover for death or disability on account of an accident. Premium is only 20 rupees per annum per member. The premium is deducted from the account holder's bank or post office account through auto debit facility on or before 1st June of each annual coverage period under the scheme. Coverage duration under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is valid for 1 year from 1st June to 31st May on payment of annual premium. The accident cover assurance termination is the accident cover of the member shall terminate or be restricted accordingly on the following events. On attaining age 70 years, age nearer birthday, and closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. In case a member is covered under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana through more than one account and premium is received by insurance company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to rupees 2 lakh. The benefit under the policy are: on death, the nominee shall get rupees 2 lakh. Total and irrecoverable loss of both eyes or loss of use of both hands or feet or loss of sight of one eye and loss of use of hand or foot, subscribers shall get rupees 2 lakhs. The total and irrecoverable loss of sight of 1 year or loss of use of 1 year, hand or foot, so subscribers shall get rupees 1 lakh. As far as eligibility is concerned, individual bank account holders of participating banks is between 18 years and 70 years who gave their consent to join enable auto debit will be enrolled into the scheme. Application process: in order to enroll in Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana offline, one can visit the bank branch where one has the saving account, or the candidate can visit the official site, that is jansuraksha.gov.in, to download the form. Step 2: after downloading the application form, candidate can fill in all the details and submit them to the bank along with the required documents. Step 3: once it is successfully submitted, subscribers will get an acknowledgement slip cum certificate of insurance. So, this scheme is a 1 year cover, personal accident insurance scheme, renewable from year to year, offering protection against death or disability due to accident. The benefits payable under the scheme on death or disability due to accident are: death rupees 2 lakh, permanent total disability 2 lakh, total and recoverable cost of sights of one eye or loss of use of one hand or foot 1 lakh. Premium rate of premium payable is rupees 20 per annum per member. Accident means a sudden, unforeseen and an involuntary event caused by external, violent and visible means. So the premium will be deducted from the account holder's bank or post office account through auto debit facility in one installment as per the consent given by the subscriber at the time of enrollment. The scheme is offered or administered through the public sector general insurance companies and other general insurance companies willing to offer the product with necessary approvals on similar terms. In collaboration with participating banks, the participating banks are free to engage any such general insurance company for implementing the scheme for their account holders or subscribers. All individual, single or joint account holders or participating banks, post office in the age group of 18 to 17 years are entitled to join. In case of multiple accounts held by an individual in one or different banks, post offices, the person is eligible to join the scheme through one bank or post office account only. So the cover shall be for 1 year period stretching from 1st June to 31st May. At the time of enrollment, subscriber has to submit his option on the prescribed form to join or pay by auto debit from the designated individual bank post office account until further instructions. An amount of ₹20 per annum or any amount as decided from time to time, which may be intimated immediately if and when revised. So towards renewal of coverage under the scheme, delayed enrollment or renewal subsequent to this date will be possible on payment of annual premium. New eligible entrants can also join in future years on payment of premium through auto debit. Our risk cover would start from the date of auto debit of premium from the subscriber's account. So individuals who exit the scheme at any point of time may rejoin the scheme in future years by paying the annual premium subject to conditions that may be laid down. Our risk cover would start from the date of auto debit of premium from the subscriber's account. So participating bank or post office are the master policy holders for the scheme. A simple and subscriber friendly administration and claim settlement process has been finalized by public sector general insurance companies, other insurance companies in consultation with the participating banks or post office. So the accident cover of the member shall terminate or be restricted accordingly on any of the following events: on attaining the age 70 years, closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force, or in case a member is covered through more than one account and premium is received by the insurance company inadvertently. Insurance cover will be restricted to one account and the premium shall be liable to be forfeited. So the scheme will be administered by public sector general insurance companies or any other general insurance company which is willing to offer such a product in partnership with banks or post offices. So it will be responsibility of the participating bank or post office to recover the appropriate annual premium in one installment as per the option from the account holders on or before the due date through auto debit process and transfer the amount to insurance company. So insurance premium payable to insurance company is ₹20 per annum per member. Commission payable to business correspondents or agents etc. by insurer is ₹1 per member for new enrollment only. And administrative expenses payable to participating bank by insurer ₹1 per annum per member. So the amount of commission payable to business correspondent, agent etc. is specified in above, saved in case of voluntary enrollment by an account holder through electronic means shall be passed on as a benefit to the subscriber by correspondingly reducing the amount of the insurance premium payable or specified in item 1. Now, the natural calamities being in the nature of accidents, any death, disability as defined under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana resulting from such natural calamities is also covered under this scheme, while death due to suicide is not covered. Death from murder is covered. Death from murder is covered. In case of joint account, all holders of the said account can join the scheme provided they satisfy its eligibility criteria and pay the premium at the rate of ₹20 per person per annum through auto debit. So all bank account holders other than institutional account holders are eligible for subscribing to the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Any NRI having an eligible bank account with a bank branch located in India is eligible for purchase of Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana covered through this account, subject to fulfillment of the terms and conditions relating to this scheme. However, in case of claim arises, the claim benefit will be paid to the beneficiary or nominee only in Indian currency. Now, in case of death of the account holder or subscriber who enrolled in the scheme, claim can be filed by the nominee or appointee as per the enrollment form or by the legal heir in case there is no nomination made by the subscriber bank account holder. Disability claim will be credited in the bank account of the insured bank account holder subscriber. Death claim will be remitted to the bank account of the nominee or legal heirs. And then in case of accidents like road, rail and similar vehicular accidents, drowning, death involving any crime, etc., the accident should be reported to police. In case of incidents like snake bite, fall from tree, etc., the cause should be supported by immediate hospital record. So, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana covers death due to accident as confirmed by documentary evidence only. And the insured nominee shall be eligible for one claim only. There are no foreign insurance companies directly operating in India as permitted by the Insurance Act and IRDA regulations. There are some foreign companies in joint venture with Indian companies where the stake of foreign insurers is restricted to 74% only. So only Indian insurance company as defined in the Insurance Act can operate in India. So the policyholder funds of all such insurance companies operating in India, including those with foreign partners within the 74% cap, are to be invested in India as per regulations. So now the insurance is like any other product. While rates can go up in future with 21 general insurance companies or 24 general insurance companies operating in India due to the competition among them, prices are likely to remain stable. It is expected that with the design of the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana cover and its pricing, this scheme will be viable and there is little chance of discontinuing. In any event, even if a particular company discontinues, banks have several other options to tie. Thank you. Thank you very much.